This 2017 Jayco Melbourne 24L U-Dinette-Wardrobe-Queen Bed Slide is a Class B+ RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 24 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, a grand tan, brown classic neutral, interior, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, external shower, TV, air conditioning, skylight, self-contained, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B+ features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2017 Jayco Melbourne 24L U-Dinette-Wardrobe-Queen Bed Slide is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.